Hello and welcome. My name is Jively and I'm so glad you're joining me today. In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the Quietum Plus supplement for tinnitus and hearing health. Tinnitus and hearing loss can be frustrating and debilitating conditions. If you struggle to hear conversations, constantly hear ringing or buzzing sounds, or have trouble making out words clearly, you know how much these issues can impact your daily life. That I created this video to provide helpful information about Quietum Plus, a natural supplement that aims to improve tinnitus, restore hearing clarity, and support overall ear health. We'll discuss the science behind Quietum Plus, its key ingredients, potential benefits, cost, and more. My goal is to give you the full rundown so you can determine if Quietum Plus is right for your needs. Stick with me today and you'll get the complete guide to this unique hearing health supplement. Let's get started. Quietum Plus Tinnitus Supplement Review. The complete rundown. Quietum Plus is a natural supplement that improves ear health with regular use, regardless of age. It works by enhancing blood flow to the ears, repairing damage, and nourishing them to prevent future harm. Many people realize their hearing is reduced when they visit a quiet place and have difficulty understanding people. If you've noticed a decline in your hearing ability or are unable to hear people clearly and don't want to use a hearing aid, this supplement may be worth considering. Using the Quietum Plus hearing supplement for more than 3 months can bring significant results. Quietum Plus contains a unique blend of 18 premium botanical extracts that have been carefully selected to support healthy hearing. The proprietary blend of natural ingredients, including minerals, vitamins, and plant extracts, helps improve your body's ability to eliminate hearing issues. Technically, this hearing support supplement can improve your hearing if you haven't lost your hearing entirely. If you have hearing loss, the neurons may not send the necessary signals properly, resulting in your eardrums not sending enough signals to the brain. Quietum Plus reviews. Quietum Plus is a powerful combination of ingredients that help improve hearing. The natural vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and herbs work together to enhance the biological processes in your body. According to the manufacturer, each ingredient has undergone extensive research to prove its effectiveness. The recommended dosage is 2 capsules per day, and each bottle of Quietum Plus contains 60 capsules. In this exclusive video about the Quietum Plus supplement, you will gain comprehensive knowledge about all the essential information related to Quietum Plus. If you are facing the nuisance of tinnitus or other hearing problems and have specific questions about Quietum Plus, stay tuned for this detailed review that exclusively addresses this supplement. What is Quietum Plus? The Quietum Plus supplement is specially formulated to address hearing health. Its main function is to transmit the wire that connects the ears to the brain, ensuring an optimal transport of the children. With Quietum Plus, you can enjoy a quiet life free from the nuisance caused by unwanted tinnitus. Quietum Plus formula. Quietum Plus is a revolutionary hearing supplement, composed of a powerful blend of 18 high-quality plant extracts at optimal doses. These extracts are proven to nourish, rebuild, and regenerate the defective wire that interferes with sound quality, thus promoting healthy hearing. In addition, Quietum Plus also offers additional benefits, such as support for a clear mind, memory and concentration, and even efficient mood. Does Quietum Plus work? Quietum Plus is a remarkable supplement that, thanks to its unique composition, is able to achieve a number of rewarding functions for the overall health of your ear. However, it is important to note that the specific effects may vary from person to person. One of the benefits of Quietum Plus is increased blood flow to the ear, which can bring positive results. This increased supply of oxygen and nutrient-rich blood can contribute to the effectiveness of the formula. Where can I buy Quietum Plus? Unfortunately, you won't be able to purchase Quietum Plus through retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or GNC's online shop. It is only sold on the official website associated with the product. To help, I'm leaving the official site link below.